Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are with Alok Tadiyal. So hello, welcome Alok.
हेलो सर.
क्या हाल है आपके?
यस सर.
क्या हाल है आपके?
सही हूँ सर. सब कुछ सही चल रहा है फिलहाल.
तो आपको मैंने इन्फॉर्मेशन दी थी इस चीज़ की कि हम लोग एक नई सीरीज शुरू
यस सर.
करने वाले हैं. इस सीरीज में हम उन बच्चों को बुलाने वाले हैं जो हमारे से पढ़कर अभी घोड़ा खाल में पढ़ रहे हैं, और भी बहुत सारे लोग इसमें आने वाले हैं. जो मोटिवेट सीरीज का वो है, जो बच्चे हैं, जो एस्पिरेंट हैं या जो अदर स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनको मोटिवेट करना, इस तरीके से चलना चाहिए. तो इसीलिए हमने उन लोगों को बुलाया है जो ऑलरेडी क्रैक कर चुके हैं इस एग्जाम को, या जो अदर फील्ड में सक्सेस पा चुके हैं और हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट से गए हैं. तो उनको हम एक एक करके सबको इनवाइट करेंगे और सबसे बात करेंगे. तो आप फर्स्ट हैं, तो फर्स्ट इज ऑलवेज द वन
यस
हु सेट्स माइलस्टोन, जैसे कि आपने करा भी है. तो आप थे कौन से बैच के? 2018,
सर. 18.
राइट. आर्यन बैच. यस.
यस
तो
सर.
किसी न किसी दिन आर्यन भी मिलेगा, क्योंकि he was also the one who cracked the exam.
यस
He worked hard and you were a team.
यस सर.
Okay. So introduction
सर.
आपका.
Okay. My name is Alok Triyal and I'm currently studying in class 11th at Sainik School Gorakhal, and in the 2019 I have cleared the All India Sainik School entrance exam, and honestly I cracked the exam, but the competition was so good there that I was also in the waiting list, but I got the admission there after 1 month of waiting. And rest it has been 3 years studying in that school, and I have seen many things now. I have a better exposure I have got from that school, which I would
Okay.
never got in any school right here.
Okay. So 2018 batch, right? So it's been 3 years. This is your third year in Sainik School Godakal. How's your journey since the day you started preparation? How's the journey?
Actually, if I say the journey was with ups and downs, there was things that you should feel in your life that should come across you to make yourself better, to take out your talents from inside it. How can you face a situation when when you have don't have any supports, when you don't know the results? Because in day-to-day life we usually don't face the competition with 12,000, or when I was there it was 12,000 to 15,000 students who
Yes,
took the
yes,
paper.
yes. And the number of seats are 90, right?
90.
30 seats for class 9 and 60 for class 6. Right.
Yes, sir.
So out of 12,000, the selection is for 90 students. They got
90
selected. You
students.
were one of them. Okay. Yes.
Sir, the journey was very good actually. I say, first of all, I want to start from how I get into the coaching from SASG Education Hub. My mother said to me that I should apply for Science School Ghorakhal, and I said, okay, but how will I prepare? So she suggested me the coaching, in which sir was teaching and Vikas Malgudi sir was teaching at the same time. So I joined the coaching in the month of July, and I was
Yes.
1 month late.
Yes,
I was 1
I
month
know
late.
that. I know that.
So,
One thing that
so
I
the
remember that your mother told, that you never woke up in the morning,
yes, never,
right?
never
And
ever.
I remember that it was December, and the time we used to have the full day session, right? It is December.
It's a morning sessions
Yes,
from
we take
5.
a session from morning to evening, some 7 8 hour session, and you never came on time. But I heard
Yes.
that during that time, that was the first time that you woke up in the morning. You start waking up in the morning. Your mother told me.
Yes, it was the first time in my life that I used to woke up on time. Uh, I think that one time in between, before coming across the 7 and 8 hour sessions, we were doing around 5 to 6 in the morning, and we
Right,
have to report at 4:45.
right, right. But you
That
never
was
came
the
on time. I still
no,
remember you
but
never
I
came on
tried my
time. But
best.
but lately you were coming, and your mother
Yes,
told me that for the first time you woke up early. and she was very happy. Okay,
Yes.
but one thing
Sir.
that I would like to add, you used to study late,
Yes.
quite late
Late night
at
I used to.
night. Yes, you used to sleep very late at night, I know that. And you used to text me,
Good night.
remember? Yes,
Yes, sir.
you always
Yes.
sent me good night message
You
when you go to
started
bed.
a system of
Yes,
you started a
so
system of good morning and good night system.
yes. So your good night was, the most late one who is studying the late was Alok Tarial. So one question, does this has any impact, like a student who is getting up in the morning and studying, or one like you who is not getting in the morning but studying late in the night? Is there anything that has to do with,
No, sir, there is nothing like that. You should study in the morning, but the fact is the quality of studying, what you are studying and how you are getting it,
and at
how
that
you are
time you
understanding
feel
the
comfortable?
concepts.
Because you told me
When
that
time you
you
feel comfortable.
sleep late and you study late night. So I was
Yes.
also the one who was in favor that, okay, that's fine. If you are not able to get up in the morning, you could study late. That's okay.
Because in the morning time, if I see outside, it's light there, so I used to go out. So I decided the time at the late night because it is the you can say loneliness time when you are
Right.
not when your mind is not fluctuating here and there. You have
So
to focus on one
how is
thing.
that thing going on right now? Because you are in Godakhal, so you must be getting up early.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how is this change?
This late night and early morning combination is very good for me because if someday I want to study late night or I have to cover the more syllabus, so there is no problem with me. While others, my friends who are there, they used to sleep at 10 or 11, and
Yes.
and some of my friends are there, same as me,
Yes, I
late
have seen, because
night.
we have a, a thing that everyone have to send a good night. Yes. So
Yes.
right.
So some of my friends and I are studying up to 1 or 2 o'clock, and then we are waking up at 5, and we never feel like sleeping in the daytime. We
Okay,
are full of energy there.
means this is going in your favor that you are sleeping late, but you are still getting up in the morning. Okay, so you have
Yes.
made a combo of this. Okay, this is very good. So how was your experience? How was your experience during the time of preparation, or how is your experience presently? You are studying there, so kind of experience, something.
That experience that I've got when I was studying there, actually, it was a first time in my life that I was used to achieve something. Actually, I am a kind of a person who will set a target and always think of reward. I am that kind of person. I honestly say, if my mother used to say you have to touch the 90%, so I used to say what I will get for that, what I will get. So she used to say, and when you're in 6th or 7th
Give
standard,
and take,
you don't
give
think
and take.
about much. Yes, give and take. So I you some of the things are there which I have kept from my 6th and 7th standard, which I get when I scored that much marks. So it was always an opportunity in my mind that I will get that. But when coming to Sainik School Godakhal, the thing in my mind was I have to clear this paper to show to my mother that I can achieve something on my own without any gift or present from her side.
Yes,
And
but I know
after
you as a student of Dehradun World School since I met you the first day, and your mother and some of other people also, they told me that Alok Tadial is not a good boy. I remember that. But I was the one who was backing. I said, no, he got the caliber. He got the caliber, and you proved that right. Very thankful for that. And you are in class 8. When you were in class 8, I think you scored 97, if I'm not wrong, in chemistry or something.
so in chemistry I got 94 out of 100.
Okay,
In maths,
94.
I got 98 out of 100.
Okay, so my question is, preparing for Sainik School, does this has any impact on your school marks or other things?
No, sir. But on the other side, they improve your performance in the schools. From maths and science, you are the best student in your class if you are preparing for
Yes.
RIMC, RMS, or Sainik School Godakhal, because you are studying something above than your level, and the students there are not studying as that of that level, so they have no idea what is going in the class, but you are revising in the class and you have just done it earlier and you are pro in that. You're
Okay,
good. You're good at school.
preparing, yes, studying something extra is always good.
Yes.
Right. So this was one thing that I wanted to ask. Now, tell us about the changes you saw since you joined that school. Some of the changes might be some good, some bad might be.
Yes. So I want to start from the good changes. Now I'm not anymore homesick. First I got there, I was homesick.
I will
So it
come
was
back
like
to homesick thing. Right.
okay. I used to just remember my home things, that what I used to do and all, and my mind was not there present. My physical body was there, but my mind was at home, at what is going on in my home, and I was just recalling the things. But after 15 days I spent there, uh, my mind setup was that I don't want to go home, I want to spend more time here.
Okay. Means it's a good
For the first
experience to
5
stay there.
days I was homesick, but after that I just summarized at how I cope up with the atmosphere there, and really I said it is a good atmosphere there. The children are from different places, from all around the places. For example, Haldwani, from all over Uttarakhand. Some people are from Arunachal Pradesh, from Bihar, UP, and
All over
Rajasthan.
basically all
And
over India.
yes, so all over India. So you get a very good exposure, and you come to know that how people are there, because from the as compared to Uttarakhand ones. But the thing that I saw in the bad time there, that you can't take out your own time. You have to follow the schedule of the school.
Okay, this is one bad thing, that you have to follow the schedule. Okay, but
Yes.
does that schedule is not worth to follow? Do you feel this, that the schedule that
Yes.
school has? Because if I the thing I have heard, that their schedule is very nice, because you don't need to study all day, right? There are limited hours. You study for limited hours, and there are classes for limited hours. There is sports also, there is physical activities also, right? So there are many activities. So what is your opinion in this? Means the
So the highlight was that of you can't take out time for your own. For example, you want to sleep at this time, but it is a time for sports meet. So you have to go for sports. You can't stay at your house or your barrack.
Yes.
If you have to go for classes, you have to go for classes. You can't take off until you have a medical issue or something. And this plays a very important role if you are scheduled as per the Sainik School Gorakhal or any defense school. So you will wake up at 5 every day, because my sleep just broke at 5 o'clock around something, and then I sleep again nowadays.
Okay, means
And
okay, now you are at home, but you still wake up at 5.
yes,
But
then I sleep
waking
again.
up early is health wise, I feel this is
Yes,
very good thing. Okay, now you talked about the homesickness. My question is a student of class 9 or 10, so is it good or is it bad for a boy of 13 or 14 to join a boarding for some years, 2 or 3 years?
So actually, according to my point of view, it is good. As a defense aspirant, I think you should join a boarding school. You will come to know many of the things which you will never face in your life at school.
Yes.
And you will get the basic training there, basic training of your army, and you will know how to treat other people from different places, how to talk with them, because there is always a regional difference.
Obviously, exposure. that you
Yeah.
said, that was very good, because exposure you get, the students studying over there are from, some are from Bihar, some are from Rajasthan, means all over India. So it's a good
Yes, sir.
exposure. You get good exposure. Okay, you
Uh,
went to a Republic Day parade, right?
yes, sir.
RD. In
Yes.
year
2020.
2020. So many
Yes,
congratulations
sir.
for that. Can you just
Thank you, sir.
something,
Okay.
how was that?
When you join a school such as Sainik School Godakhal or any school which have NCC collaboration, so they will give you a chance for going to camps, for different camps. And after you go to camps, you collect a lot of information, and after that your school have your drill tests and all the things, and they send you to the uh, RDC camps. There are many camps, pre-camps you say, in which the selection is taken between the students. Means if 10 students are growing from a school, most probably 2 to 3 students will reach to RDC parade. It's really tough there.
How many students were from your school?
The our school sent around 6 students, and from the junior division, and one got there.
Okay, and how many went to RD?
Uh, Actually, there are different vacancies. There is a band group, band,
Okay.
NCC band, which
You were in
Maharashtra.
band. You were in band.
Yes, sir.
How was
So
that?
from the band one,
Okay.
a group of students go from a school. From our school, there were around 45 students who went there for the first time.
Okay, that was for the first time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you were the lucky one to join. Right.
Yes,
You
sir.
were lucky for the school also. Okay, okay. How was your experience?
So the RDC was between 20 not 30 directorates.
Okay.
Or around something like that. I don't know the exact figure.
Okay.
The people are from northeast, west, and all over India, and it is the biggest camp which is held for 2,000 students at the same time. And I got to know that how to perfect yourself in just 2 or 3 days, because for Rajput practice we only got 6 days,
Okay,
and
you
we
got 6
nailed
days
it
only.
in 6 days. Yes, sir, for the main Rajpath.
Okay.
26 Jan.
Okay, you also went to Rajpath.
Yes, sir.
So how
On
was that
26 Jan.
feeling when you were in Rajpath? You were walking in Rajpath. You were playing bands. How was that feeling?
It was very. I can't explain in my words. The Josh was coming from inside. That yeah, today I will walk. Every step was a dig.
That route is something magical.
It is around 5 to 6 or 7 kilometers, but you never feel exhausted. You just keep on going because there is a flame from inside which makes you to do that. Yes, I have to achieve that. And then we went to meet General Manoj Mukund Narvane.
Okay.
And we clicked some photos with him.
Journal of Indian Army.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. And there were other people also.
Yes, actually the different. I also met the Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Kejriwal.
Okay. So you got
different schools are different schools are designated different people. For example, the Kapurthala band was designated for giving a visit to the naval chief.
Okay. Okay.
Another school was
band met naval chief. Okay, and you met
yes, sir.
General. Okay.
Yes, sir. We met General. They met. Okay. And this is balanced everywhere.
How was that?
You can't get everything.
Is that anything that? What was you feeling that?
Sir, the thing actually I enjoyed there was food. The food was very good. And the people there were, we met people from outside the India. That is NCC exchange program.
Okay, there were people from outside India also.
Yes, sir. The NCC is between Afghanistan, India, and Nepal, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka, and many more countries.
Okay.
They come to join RDC parade.
So you met them?
If someone, yes, if someone have seen the video of PM rally that is held on 28 or 29 June, I guess. So you will see that at last when all the UTs are done, directorates are done, and the seat is then they come and give a salute to the Prime Minister.
Okay, so there were students from other countries also.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Exchange
how
program.
long was that journey, that camp and that RD parade?
30
I
days.
remember it took 1.5 months, right? If I'm not wrong.
1 month for the RDC camp, and then 10 to 12 days in Dehradun we came for decatting camp.
You came to Dehradun also.
Yes,
There
sir.
also you met someone.
Yes, sir. Our respected Chief Minister, Mr. Trivendra Singh Rawat.
Okay, you met Chief Minister also of Uttarakhand.
Yes, sir, and our Governor of Uttarakhand.
Governor also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so means that RD parade was something that you will remember for your life.
Yes, sir.
Means
Golden moments.
golden days, right? But you will get many golden days ahead also. That I believe.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But the lockdown is there now, so we can't actually don't do that.
Okay, means you may be getting second
If
chance.
I was in school at this time, so I would have many opportunities to explore. For example, going to play outside Uttarakhand. If I got selected, then.
Okay, okay. I heard that football team of Ghodakhal, they went for
Yes,
some
sir.
international tournament in 2018 or 19, I think. This I
Not
heard
the
from
international,
one of other
but
students.
they went for interzonals.
Okay, okay.
Actually, there is a system like that. The India is divided into zones according to Senate school, North zone, South zone, like this. So the competition is first between the North zone Sainik schools, between Sainik schools, and Sainik school children are very tough to in football and everything.
They are very
because
tough
they have been
physically and
training.
mentally. I have met many and
Yes,
they are
sir.
very tough physically and mentally.
Yes.
Okay.
So they
Yes.
got there.
Okay.
They
My next question
actually
is
defeated every team.
okay. Yes. So my next question is, what are the challenges that you faced during your preparation?
Preparation. Actually, the first thing was vast syllabus. As a
Yes, syllabus is
student
very
of class
vast.
8, I see at a vast syllabus. Now I can see that it is easy, but that time it was hard.
It was very difficult, right? It is difficult. Yes, go ahead.
And you don't know what is going to come in exam.
That's right.
You have to take a look on every aspect of questions, every aspect of questions, from where they can come from, where how they will turn the questions. Because the I remember I have incident. The first question was I got the B set. The first question was factorization. It was really easy question, but from a nervousness from inside, the first time I was giving the science school Ghodakhal paper. So I just took 5 minutes to do it. Really, a very easy question, and I took 5 minutes. But after
You took
that,
5 minutes for that first question.
Yes, sir. But as I said, this will not work. Then I just do it. Then I just run my mind and I just cleared it up for in about last 5 minutes were remaining when I completed my all the OMR field and everything.
Okay. So my personal opinion for every student who is facing a problem in any of the question, I say that skip that question. If you take too much
Yes,
time in, okay,
yes,
some
sir.
of the tips that you would, as you have already got selected, so there is hard work, there is many things. So tips.
The tips are that you should designate a particular time from your day-to-day routine
Yes.
to study.
Okay. First thing is
Apart
designate
from your school studies,
time.
homework.
Yes.
Only for studying, only from going through the topics. Because doing the work is a different thing. You can't recall, you can't write or recall at the same time.
That's right. That's right. That's really right.
And yes, and then you have to masters in maths what you are reading. at that age.
Yes, because maximum marks. Yes,
Maths.
50% of the exam goes to maths. 200 marks.
I remember that when I go for the medical in Bareilly, so they used to say there that I got 252 marks. They were really students those who got 252 marks, 272 marks out of sorry 372 or
372.
352 marks out of 400.
Yes. I know
And
that.
I
You
was
told
there
me.
at 318.
I know.
318, yes. And those are the students who got full out of full in maths. There were students 200 out of 200 in maths.
Obviously. You got into out of 200, you scored, I think 168.
168.
Right.
Yes.
I remember 168. And there was
Yes.
Aryan. Aryan scored.
I think 45 from there. 45,
Okay.
180 around something.
Yes, scoring 168 out of 200 in an exam where you don't know what is the actual thing that is going to come, because when you are facing your school examination for your school, you know that there is limited syllabus. There is a book.
Yes,
there are things taught in school, and you get exam somewhere near that book. Your syllabus revolves around that book.
Yes.
And exam is obviously from that book. But when you are preparing
Yes,
for
yes.
Sainik school, you had prepared many things. You had test series to do, you had previous year to do, you have NCRT, you have your main book, you have your school book also, right? So practices, there is huge thing to practice. So scoring 168 in that, I feel is really okay, because that is not a bad thing.
But what I feel is that 168 is not a good score in out of 200 when the competition is such high.
No, in maths I said. Only in maths.
Yes, sir. In maths, at least you should got 180 or above.
180 or above.
Because at my side, I was good in science or English.
Yes, I know that.
Did it very well.
I can share an experience. You did an experiment of chemistry, and you took out some chemical from Harpic, or you told me?
Yes, sir.
I know. You needed a chemical which was not available, so you took out that from Harpic. You told me that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what was that?
Yes. So actually, the content of HCl in Harpic is really high. So I just I don't remember the whole process because I did it around 3 years ago.
Yes,
so
you were in class 8. I share this experience, the thing that you told me. I share this thing with after you said this thing. The batches came later. I have shared this with everyone because I was very impressed. As a student of class 8, you were doing this, and you were very good in chemistry. I know that. Yes, you were very good in chemistry because one day we were doing a quiz session, and Aryan was there, Prashant was there, and we were doing, and I was asking question that was from I think not from your main book, some other book I was having, and Aryan. No, Upkar, I think.
Okay.
You used to have your main book as Aryan, but that day I took out Upkar, and I was asking question that was from chemistry, and I remember that Aryan and Prashant, they were not answering my question, and as per Alok always used to come late in the class because early morning session was very difficult for Alok. Alok came, and I remember that after Alok came, there was every question answered. My every question was answered after that, because favorite is chemistry.
Yes, sir.
So how to, if one of your subject is your favorite, so how to handle that subject?
Sir, actually chemistry subject which works integrally with the biology and physics and maths. So you have to first make connections of questions at how it can happen. For example, there was a question in RMS, I remember. It was that which bacteria does the which algae performs the photosynthesis like something, and then I did it right, because I was able to recall that this will happen. These chemicals are present in this algae particularly because it's green and all, and then I just did it right. So you have to make connections, and many times it happens in my day-to-day life that I use such
That's right. That's right.
connections
You
to
have
make.
to make connection. You have to make connection, because I have seen that when you answer a question for chemistry, especially, in fact, your science was very good. Your maths was also good. I know. I used to dictate a question, and three of you were Alok, Prashant, and Aryan. I remember that there was race of who will tell the answer first, and all three were very good. I remember that batch, because only 4 students were there in class 9th in 2018.
Yes, sir.
In our institute, we had only 4 students for class 9, but 3 of you were champ. I remember that I felt that everyone has to clear that exam, and Aryan got selected also, but I think due to medical issues he could not. uh, Prashant also scored nice. In fact, he scored 290 something, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir, in maths.
Yes, yes. No, not in maths.
In maths, he especially scored good
Yes.
marks, more than
He
us.
scored, I think, 175 plus or something. His score was very good.
It was more than 185 plus.
185, because I know that Prashant scored very good in maths, but he could not score in English. So you have to
Yes,
make
sir.
a balance to clear this exam, right? Because he
Yes,
could
sir.
not get selected only because of English. Other
Yes, sir.
section, he was very good. Maths, he was top of everything.
Awesome.
Yes, he was very great in that subject. Okay. What are your future plans?
So my future plans. So first, I want to clear NDA
Okay.
as I am a defense
Wish you good luck
aspirant.
for
So
that.
that is the first thing.
And even I'm
Thank you,
waiting,
sir.
because there is one more year, and you are the senior most student of our institute studying in Godakhal, because Aditya is your junior. Although Aditya
Yes, sir.
is your senior in that school, but he is junior because you cleared 9th and he was studying
sir.
in that school for class 6th. So when you joined, he was in 8th. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
I am really waiting for you to join NDA, that premier institute. I really want you to join that, and good luck for that. Okay. So you wanted to join NDA. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
which defense you wanted to
So
join?
Navy.
Navy.
Navy. I want to go Navy.
Okay. So join Navy, but reach at the highest point of that, the highest rank.
I should say deepest.
No, you should not settle for the, some of the mid rank or anything. Obviously, that achieving that is, it needs great work. So, is it
Yes.
helpful in Godakhal? Is it easier to go for NDA?
Yes, sir.
How?
Because when you will see at the whole sum of things, now. So if you are a regular candidate from from home, when you're preparing from home, you have to join coaching classes. Your school don't bother about it, and you have to take the time from your daily
This is
routine.
one thing. You get balance.
Yes. But when you're in a science school or any defense school, such as these institutions, so they make you fully prepared for that thing only. They give you special training sessions.
There is extra class for NDA.
Yes, sir. Extra class for NDA.
Yes.
They go with the syllabus of NDAs in 11th and 12th. They especially prepare you for that only.
Okay. Because I think you told me, Aditya also told me that for NDA in class 11th or 12th, you get extra session for that in the morning, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, they are in the morning. Okay. Okay, one thing is you get classes in school, so you need not to go for extra classes or anything, extra tuitions or all.
No.
Because going to coaching is important, because the syllabus is very difficult nowadays. The exam has gone very difficult. Okay, so you get thing in school already arranged. One thing.
Yes, and you save your time there.
You save your time. Okay, one advantage.
Yes,
anything else?
Sir, for example, they make you physically fit for the SSB and all the things.
Yes. You
Because
get to meet
written you
people.
can clear, but SSB is really tough.
Yes,
So
SSB is
there
tough.
are officers at the school, those who are there to help you.
Yes.
They make, you know, they know, they have played SSB, so they know what is going to be asked and what is, you know, how you have to answer it.
Okay, you are getting help
So
from your
it is a
school.
plus point.
Okay, okay, this is
Yes,
plus
sir.
one. Any other thing?
So if mm, apart from NDA, the school, you're emotionally connected to the school.
Okay.
Because for example, when you're home, your parents are doing everything for you. You have each and everything at your, you have a phone, you have everything, or access to internet at night, so you can search. But when you're at school, you don't have your phone. You have to search or
Nowadays
dig
it
for
is very
things.
important.
You have,
Nowadays it is very important.
yes,
A
sir.
student should not have a phone of his own.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. And there you got a lot of friends, and there you know how to pick up your friends.
Okay, because everyone is working for that. You know, most of the people there obviously wanted to join India.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So they make, you know, the school gives a print on you. You can go get out of Godakhal, but Godakhal can't get out of you.
That's a very good thing. Okay, Alok, we are running short of time. Thank you for joining.
Okay.
We will someday
Okay.
again call you, because I think some of the things I could not ask in this session, because we have, uh, right now close the session.
Sir.
Tomorrow
So I
also
want to
we'll
add
go.
something.
Yes.
If someone is going for the Senate school paper in ninth, for ninth,
Okay.
so I should advise them, they should go for the maths, you know, where you have to give not the maximum time, but you have to, the proportion of time for the maths should be great.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You
Okay,
have to
Alok,
score
I
at least
actually
180
have 30
plus.
seconds. I will again someday we will discuss the remaining things. Thank you for joining.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. You
Okay.
can watch this video in Facebook and YouTube. And this is a series we have started as a, this step is taken to motivate students who are aspirant for Scenic School, and I will say aspirant for NDA and other things. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Alok. See you soon.
Good night, sir.
Good
Thank you for
night.
calling me.
Thank you.